Hey guys, we're back with another weekly video. Today's video is a short and sweet one where we share 3 moulds that we poured. These were made using U RESIN Liquid Glass as we had some leftover colours from an artboard we made earlier and didn't want the resin to go to waste. You'll notice these were quite soft and flexible, but don't worry, they do harden up later on. We've left some more info in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already.